Hi class. So today we're gonna learn multiplying 3-digit by 2-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. So this is similar. So this is similar with multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So the process is the same. We will just add another digit. Let's have a sample problem. So for 1 month, Angela bought 126 sacks of cow feed. Each sack weighs 25 kilograms and costs 37 pesos. For the first question, how many kilograms of feed did she buy in total? And what is the total cost of all the feeds in a month? So first, we will try to answer the first question, which is how many kilograms of feed did she buy in total? So Angela bought 126 sacks. We will multiply it by the number of kilograms, which is 25. So the first step is we will multiply 126 by 5. So we will have 6 times 5, you will get 30. You carry over 3, and then 5 times 2, you will get 10, and then add 3, you will get 13. We will carry over 1. 5 multiplied by 1, you will get 5. Add 1, you will get 6. So our first partial product is 630. So the next step is we will multiply 126 by 20. So where did we get the 20? It's because 2 is in the tens place. So let's put 0. We will start on the tens. So 6 multiplied by 2, you will get 12. You carry over 1. And then 2 multiplied by 2, you will get 4. Add 1, you will get 5. And then 2 multiplied by 1, you will get 2. So this is our second partial product. The next step is we will add the product. So we will get 0, 3 plus 2, you will get 5. 6 plus 5, you will get 11. Carry over 1. And then 2 plus 1, you will get 3. So the total kilograms that Angela bought is 3,150. So that is the answer. The next question is, what is the total cost of all the feeds in a month? So Angela has 126 sacks multiplied by 37 pesos. So same process, multiply 126 by 7, you will get 7 times multiply by 6, you will get 42. So 2 and then carry over 4. And then 7 multiplied by 2, you will get 14. Add 4, you will get 18. Carry over 1. And then 7 multiplied by 1, you will get 7. Add 1, you have 8. So our first partial product is 882. Next is multiply 126 by 30. So put 0 on the tens place. And then 6 times 3, you will get 18. Carry over 1. 3 multiply by 2, you will get 6. Add 1, you have 7. And then 3 multiply by 1, you have 3. So this is our second partial product. Next is we will add the two products. So you will have 2 and then 8 plus 8, 16 carry over 1, 8 plus 7, you have 15, add 1, you have 16 carry over 1, you have 3 plus 1, and then you have 4. So do you have any more question with regards to our discussion? Okay, let's you try to answer this exercise. Now we're done with our discussion. You nailed we nailed our to-do list today. So hope you had fun visiting our farm.